Hi guys, my name Michael Mark and welcome to my channel Nachos and Inspiration. Now like to take you guys with me to visit Little Creek in Charlotte, North Carolina. Let's go explore together. Let's go guys. It's so much fun here by myself and want to explore some little secret of nature. So I love natures and inspiration. So I just do my content to them, and hopefully you guys like it. If you like it, just okay. Give me one thumb or comment or something. Just subscribe my channel to support me and to make more video. And don't forget to click the bell to get new video update. All right, guys, let's go. See something that we can explore more. All right, about this nature. It's so beautiful. You can see around me. All right, here. So beautiful. You can hear the water sound too. It's so beautiful sound. So we will go a little bit, okay, tour together and explore how this world it's a lot of things like we need to know, we need to learn, and I do the work, and you guys sit on the couch, okay, and watch it. Don't worry about it. You want some more? Just leave the comment, and then I will get some more video for you guys. All right? Okay, let's go then, and let's go see and what happened here. All right, in Charlotte, North Carolina Creek. Okay. All right, let's go, guys. We got the fur here. You can get it for free. This is a little mountain, and you can see the waterways up before rain or after rain. I mean before rain here. Really, really dry, but after raining, it's getting wet, and they feed all these plants here. It looks so beautiful. Um, you can come with me. All right, let's walk on this track, and you can see the creepy and crunchy noise. This is a waterway here. When it's raining, it's the water blowing into this little creek. It's little, but they keep open more and more, more and more. So later on, they will become big stream and big waterfall. Um, you can hear this waterfall. For a low tune, the waterfall, and up there it's high tune, the waterfall. All right, you can see here, and you can hear. Let's take a moment to hear this water tune. You can hear, right, how beautiful this sound was. This for a low tune. See, the higher get a higher tune of water sound. So let's walk along the creek a little bit and we explore together what we have in here. All right, I need to be careful. So we can walk along the creek here. Be careful, guys. Come with me. All right, this just careful about my step. I try the best to record this view and share with you guys here. Here, okay. Here's some kind of amazing natures make it. Take a look on this stone here in the Greeks, all right? It's so beautiful. You can see it. Beautiful. It's kind of the seed, but made by Mother Nature. You can see here. So beautiful. The earth really smooth and kind of really clean. And got a little plant here and come with the waters. Look. Yeah, I wish you guys be with me and so beautiful guys here. You see the plant here, you know they sold in the store. It's so beautiful, right? And you see these views. I don't want to bothering this sound, but I have to narrowing explain to you guys what it is. See how this plant beautiful it is, come with the water and really relaxing and we having time. But mostly I having time. I come down here and listen to the bird, listen to the waterfall, and watch all these plants here and refresh my mind. I love to live in harmony with nature, so and it's a lot of energy when we know how to listen to, and then we take the energy from nature, put into ourselves, and heal it. See how the water track here? Oh, so beautiful, guys. I don't know what to say, but I love to share all this with you guys. You can come down and see all kinds of different plants and all kinds of different shape of the Mother Nature make it. So here you can see how deep the dirt dig out by the water. It's not about power the water, and constantly the water is gonna cut all this dirt here. But kind of when it's raining, see, it for sure this get the power to cut all this dirt. Just when raining, there are a lot of water full, full of water. You can see to cut down all the dirt and lift the tree root here. You can see how beautiful it is. We want to see like what have under the tree that they dig it into really deep dirt, and we want to see and how it works. But here, you guys can see, because nobody do it. Mother Nature do it. So let's see how our Mother Nature do it. I step in the water, you can hear, and then we can get a good view from this tree. Look at that tree. I have to get good view for to share it all with you guys here. See how the water cutting through this root here. It got so beautiful root. It's very complicated about nature how they make it. Here. You can see underneath. See, you want to explore now? Explore with me. So that's how the tree work. The root really strong into the dirt to hold their body, right? Look at that. See? And it got some the other plant like going around the tree. Look at that, look like a snake. How beautiful of the natures, they're doing their job. And look at that. You can hear the sound of dropping some seed. Okay. That on the wall of this creek, you can see some plant growing. Yes, living with the nature, get close, and you can feel it. How the natures give us a lot of energies and a lot of fun and a lot of joy, a lot of happiness, and heal to be healthy too. See? All right, you follow the track in here. Come with me. Any question, just ask. Yeah, this is real nature. You have to follow it. You can hear the water and get in the water. I don't know how far they go, but I just go for the short trip to explore all this thing here. See how the beautiful this rock is. You can see the reflection by nature, by sunlight, and all the green look reflection on waters. It looks so beautiful. You see all the green reflection by sunlight. But when I was here first, early spring, they didn't have that much leaf. But now they have full leaf and then more shade. Before they didn't have any shade. Only have like the bare tree branch. But now you can see. You can look up the hill. So beautiful. Around nature, the decoration. Alright. Let's go a little deep of water. I will walk in the water and feel it a little deep. But you can see, you can hear. See, this water, I think the bottom of the water is filled with the rock. A really firm bottom. And here the little, it's not deep. You cannot dig out by the the water. By this, a lot of little stone, big stone, little stone here. It really far here. I don't know how far they go, but I only spend some time to explore and enjoy myself all by myself, guys. See, you can enjoy with this reflection of the sunlight with the water blowing, the water flows. This is a baby flow waters, like a baby waterfall. See, you can enjoy and look at it and sit it by yourself and relax, listen to all this sound and the views around it. It can be a great thing to do it and heal the body by the mind that accept, that which accept all things around us that the way it is. And we understand more about all these things. So acceptable. When the mind accepts, it can be healed for our body, all right? Okay, let's take a look more surrounding, all right? can hear the sound. See, I love to feel the water. See, when you walk on it, you feel it. You feel connect with all kinds of these natures, but you have to very careful. Okay? Step on here. This kind of the water track here. I can't pass this. It's so beautiful here. See how beautiful it is? Okay. This is my shadow. That's my shadow. Look like somebody's dropping something. Ooh, so beautiful. Look at this rock here. Shape really smooth. Yeah. We can pick up and build something on our home. This plant it transform the let go the relief for the old leaf for a new species growing. See? Okay. You can see the water line and keep blowing. But this are rock, guys. I just wear my flip-flop, alright? It's better. You just take a quickly tool. Can see that, feel that, hear that. And I just walk back, okay? Look at that, this sky here. So beautiful. For low tune or waterfall, really low and relaxable. And look at this sky here. Yeah. Beautiful. Walk back more. Okay. Oh, God. You can see it walks by the waters and hold by the rock. Cannot walk the rock. The whole tree here. This tree going to collapse. Yeah, they're not gonna stay, but time would be take. But this kind is the fan protection something. I didn't know how long to go, and you can see the root of the tree, but you cannot see it when they bury by the dirt. But now you can see it, right? And how lucky you are. Come to my channel, Natures and Inspiration. And so you can see here, it's beautiful. Now you can explore all kinds of root with me again. Look at that, all right? Oh, look at that reflection. So, I love that reflection. Let's go one more time. Okay. And, oh, you're not coming again. Okay, you can see here how the root of the tree work. All right. Very careful. Did you guys remember this rock? About minutes ago we walked past. See? And then now I come back. Oh man, look at that. I can't explain it, all these things. If you like nature, you will be like me. It's nothing much different. Because we get the same concept and same heart. Loving nature. I love it. And you can explore something, little thing, like make me understanding about how nature works. You see this leaf drop on the water and they got stuck with the rock. and beautiful. It's something you never seen. Just a little thing make a big difference, guy. Look at that. And you can see the water keep moving little by little, and you can see all those rock, okay, they cannot cut through, but time will take, guy. But this water cut through is not by the powers of the water, it's the power of consistently moving and cutting, see. But you can see all the wall of this creek, they cut by the power water. But this bottom here, protected by the rock on the bottom of this creek, the water cannot cut through without working constantly, little by little, and giving time and get enough time, the right time, this water will cut it through the rock, all right? And can see the plant here, the bottom here, it's so beautiful. Look at that. See, it look like the fake. It look like a fake plant, but this is not fake, guys. It's real. See, I can let it be cut a little longer because it's so beautiful. You cannot find anything like this. It's rare to find, but now you find like kind of decorations in nature. You take a closer look, you see. When you take the pictures, some of this, you think that fake, but it's not fake. It's real nature, guys. It's real. In reality, I love to get closer to nature, and you can see all this decoration. It's so beautiful, pretty. I don't know what to say, guys. You have to come and see by yourself. And you can see this plant and merge just up with that a little plant that grow on the wall. You can see it, all right? Okay, guys, I think that's all about it. If you guys like it, please support me and just click subscribe and click the bell to get more video like this. All right, we'll see you guys on the next video, and thank you for your watching, and thank you for your visit, and thank you for your support. All right, my name is Michael Mark. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye now.